Welcome back. Now that you've learned how to use the views in FactFinder and the basic tenets of monitoring, it's time to talk about using FactFinder when you need it most, during outages and slowdowns. In this set of videos, we'll discuss the FactFinder problem-solving methodology. FactFinders' role in problem-solving is to replace the costly and ineffective bridge call process. It provides an objective set of data that everyone can look at and have a single source of truth to test hypotheses. FactFinder provides this data with an end-to-end view both of the user's transactions as they flow across servers and a deep dive view into those servers to see the application components and hardware resources that they're using. FactFinder also provides a repeatable approach that any operations team member can follow to reliably solve problems. So, with FactFinder, IT operations teams can solve problems fast without having to draw in other teams into a bridge call. Here's how you solve problems in FactFinder. First, you start with the front ends, where the user's transactions are coming into the application. Starting with that server, and at each server along the way, you isolate where the bottleneck is. I'll explain how to analyze bottlenecks in FactFinder in the next video, but for now, you should know that a bottleneck is any server that is slow but can't blame its slow performance on machines further down the transaction path. In other words, a bottleneck is the source of a slowdown. Third, once you've identified the bottleneck, FactFinder enables you to drill down into the system to look at all the components of the application and all the other processes running on that box, and then go even deeper, looking at the operating system, virtualization, storage, even the network to see where the problem is. Next, because FactFinder provides this deep visibility, you can see how other applications might be impacting these resources. A problem that looks like slow storage could be caused by another application overusing that storage disk, and that's the root cause that you actually need to address. And finally, you can use FactFinder to verify that any fix you put in place has actually restored service. That's the end of this video on the FactFinder methodology for solving problems. In the next video in this problem-solving series, you'll learn how to use FactFinder to view the problematic application and solve an actual production outage.